Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Kumasi for our mo ewo Alaba market. Adia afa wo mo ni so no. And now me can say some people are still traumatized. The yate and say nkrofo 4 yebomutu 2 Ephraim. Na nkrofo bebre ebisa questions. I've seen videos. I have listened to interviews. Victims no kasa. Me de ni na ebeto me ni misremo and there your first time subscribe and click the notification bell so oye ne say latest news dey about one sa ebeka. Senia obeye adoma ne nso no and na match wo screen so yen konsem ni mo. Daylight robbery and one of the biggest markets in Ashanti region, Alaba market. And the daylight robbery. Just say enye nyumbre kra. The F13 armed robbers e dey akwa bokro no ewo Alaba no enye easy. Now what we've heard from eyewitnesses say armed robbers e ba no motina motorbike so. Na armed robbers no baako ekita AK-47. Yes. That's what we've heard. AK-47. Now the yatene says sika armed robbers area from Alaba market nenye easy. Etie for me see so me shedante say market because you say marketplace is a very crowded place. At least if for nothing at all, cry you say market there. Eya na udiagra police stations eben. Market eya na police stations eben. Most markets ewa Ghana has say eya na police stations eben. You know one shedante say market kesiye sa no armed robbers akwa robbe. Na de yeti armed robbers she jacket. Na de yati se ba akuna wokita AK-47 no musifi motorbike ne so na afei wo shootu from eyewitnesses. You see na wo tututuo no for bare 1 hour. Na afei omo ye 4. The other 3 no wo mu rewra shops, wo mu krekra pistol. Rewra shops. Na wo mu a wo mu so omo begina wa wo mu tutuo no ebi mo adwane fi omo shops kra nti afei armed robbers no borra ho a bebi a wo mu susu se sika ewo no mo abie ho wo mu hu sika no mo afa. Omo anom wo mo shop mu nso aye tututuo no arroba ni wura ho a wo de tio ne siu so no wa jiska. Yesi sika wo mo age wo Alaba market ho nenye easy. Abonkrofo fotio bebi a yesesa ska forex bureau wo mo abue wura ho akwa akosesa ska yi. Ama papa bi a yesi wo no mpo de wo ba ho keke se wo bebo nkomo. Ya bonitio and amene o ka se wewu. What we are hearing from the eyewitnesses such as Nkrofo 2 ya bo 42 2 in Ephraim. Now the people in the marketplace no they are not happy. Omo kasa. Na sama womo kan say baby a armed robbers ni begina ye a womo tututuo no uko enim kakra police for etai wo ho. E ba ne say na ndem ko armed robbers begina ho tututuo no police ni eni ho. One question. Oko Oheneba Media, obenya video no. Ko Oheneba Media. Oko on the grounds. And I will interview some of the eyewitnesses and the victims. Was it police for ewo enim ho na de bia wo mo begina ho. E ba ne sen. Osanso ka say police station ben, mention police station e ben. Armed robbers be tutu for close to 1 hour. Yeah, free police ember. So some people are even thinking said that be wait there, ebia na police for the kromunim hu bi. Because mama what ya say AK-47 say etio na ye friend AK-47 no. Ye tia police for per enikra, police for the security agencies per enikra. Na etia yema police for na police for the security agencies pen ye yema omo no e ba ne sen e na armed robber obenya etuo ne bi ekra. That's the question. Inti de bia what say robbery cost na what say armed robbers no mo kita AK-47 pe e wo se hu say e wo se hu say something dey there. Abra wo sem obi papa omo ekunu broad day market. See there, the effrontery of these armed robbers, no, Charlie, is beginning to scare me. I am telling you the gospel truth. Armed robbers, enu odin bi asisi a wo de ye robbery no masa make ebo mi hu during the day later during this day I be reported tremo NDC parliamentary candidate baby a police checkpoint NDC parliamentary candidate ne campaign convoy omukodu a baby a wo nim say police checkpoint a dey police for ejina ho e check cars na nyama no anwo be saba be jina police checkpoint ho. Yes, I reported on that. Is that not scaring you? Is that not scaring you? So that's the story coming through. I'm Roberts, Alaba. Meanwhile, the same Ashanti region, Endra, the same place, the same Ashanti region, Hona, Papibia will only a year petroleum station, filling station, I friend the filling station. Endra, in Crawford, Echo, no one on Crawford force, 4 armed people. Eko boni tioku no. Ebo the filling station hona. What is going on? The insecurity, massa. Me, I'm beginning to get scared though. I am telling you the truth. What's here the air person and saying? I say, meaning, say I'm Robertsy. Hey, and you see, and I don't know whether it is coincidental. And Rechi, na me share an old interview there. Say 7 or 10 years ago of Atai. Yeah, no. Say Crime Check TV for ne koye Atai interview. Na interview no tia sama Atai no kan no tre an robbery ni mu ne sansem ono so no wo robe pa. Asema waka o se chale eya na wo mu di eduro. Wo mu di eduro na cooperation. Na me ka sentia na am robbery womo enya kukudro sesei no because enye dra police checkpoint untumi nkojina ho se wo korobe se enye dra ewi akete untumi nko market se wo korobe yesi womo robe market ni we no mudi see mo main road eyewitness na can say over an hour wo tututio no mo robe tututio no mo robe no police amba and people over there were calling the police. That's what they are claiming. Say police nika won she say. It's easy. It's here for easy. That's what is coming through. Motorbikes. And no motina so ediko boss akron no yi. Akwa kokun obi papa kwa. Ghana for bebe na try mo adwen was story way so. Na media minim say Ghana for ye try ya adwen ye de ade we be politics. Minim pa say Ghana for ye try ya adwen ye de ade we be politics. En no bi a sha ase no wo bo Ofosuampofo din. O say Ofosuampofo evil plan is being implemented by the NDC hoodlums. Asemwa will be air canon no. Obi so say, are we really safe in this country? Why is the president and our security services allowing NDC to keep killing innocent people? You see, one problem I have, the people who want to use this thing for politics, you see, you are not helping matters. As same way, see, everyone say NPP ni. Ebeba bonti aba comment say ane and the NDC for and our moye NDC for na so we NPP ni na workers asem na in a way indirectly you've even insulted your own government. We be say Melody say na workers asa I mean show and then you can ruling government you control all the security affairs, national security, BNI, Ghana. In fact, the president is the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, the police, and all other security agencies. They fall under the government. It is a we NPP now the armed robbers share an armed robbery attack share NDC. Then obi beka say na mo a 2 million na kramo. Obi tena say ahwe. Se wo bia se be yemfa to me man no one say wo man no na wo so tina ho se wo hwe iti we NPP ni now assess our comments now indirectly you are even insulting your president. You are insulting the president of this land. You are telling the president, say, to me, I had insane na police for a insane no. Still, want to mean combat Sabi NDC for it. That is or more I don't want to say one more day at the end of politics, no. It's as simple as that. It is as simple as that because you control the security. Police apparatus are more essing armed robbers ne die no. The men are police for no one essing armed robbers no. And so say wo a to me no ewo wonsem wo be he say robbery no e koso na ya ba ne de be politics say NDC for wo be he say robbery no koso na ya ba ne de she say NDC for a. Then indirectly what you are saying is say to me ya de a she won sakra no untumi yusu enkuntia NDC for na wo mo ye armed robbers no. And so we MPP ni now passes our comments no say ane we the NDC for and omu say indirectly you are even insulting the president of the land. You are insulting him, say he is inactive aside all the security apparatus that the government has. Yes, and that is the truth. Meaning that say we are making people will not agree, but why would him deep down say that is the truth? When him deep down say that is the truth. Uti fear. Who fear now? No. You are the head of the house. You have all the powers. Na ebia woba. Ubetumi atwe na so. But ye bone a wontwe na so. Obehwa na oba na ye bone. Wontwe woba na so. Ya ka cho so ebia woba wi eska. Na wahwa won so disika to na oba na ba bewia. Ansa na wo ba complain say me be kra wo ye kronfo. Obi ti na echi obeka say na enya wo na wo ya papa wo fi ho ene ba ne se na utumi disika to ama oba bewia ana se wo ba areas ka no untumi ntwe na so ana sa na wo bia beka. So yes, and I'm saying this so that the people who are trying to do politics with this no they will stop, because I have told you once crime the politics remupe and no agbena what the politics nya remupe and no na asa munchira waju comment box motie for that's it.